Before you can trade with conviction, you need to know what you're watching. Hub Watchlists let you build a focused, real-time view of the symbols that matter to your strategy, and because they sync automatically across Hub, Titan X, and mobile, that view goes with you everywhere. One list, every platform, always up to date. Everything starts in the Portfolio section, under the Research tab. Creating a new list takes seconds. If you want some inspiration, Hub offers a library of pre-built lists organized around themes like indices and hot lists, a useful way to get a read on a segment of the market before you narrow it down to your own names. Adding your own symbols is just as fast. Smart Search gets you to the right ticker without the guesswork. Once your list is populated, you're in control of what you see. Choose the columns that are relevant to how you trade, switch between pricing, fundamentals, Greeks, or an overview depending on what you're analyzing, and sort by any column instantly, so the names that matter most are always at the top. When something catches your attention, click the symbol. You'll get the full picture, a snapshot chart, key data, upcoming events, and recent news, everything you need to understand the story behind the price. And because the trade ticket is right there, the moment your research turns into a decision, you're already set up to act. Hit bid or ask, and your order is ready to go. With Hub Watchlists, you're always close to the market and ready to move wherever you trade. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing TradeStation.